This is Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. I'm excited to be back for the March 2nd, 2024 Craft Along. These are the kits that I will be providing. You can purchase the kits through my blog at superawesomestamper.com and craft along with me during my segment at the One of a Kind Facebook group. So here's what's included in the kit. The perennial lavender kit, the twisted easel is what I'm calling it. You'll get one twisted easel kit, which is this one, and one of the regular opening with just the side open kit. And here is this one. So everything is already die cut in there for you. You just need to add your stamp set and your ink pad to add a sentiment to that little piece right there, and a sentiment to that little piece right there. You'll get a sheet of these 5 beautifully die-cut butterflies and a piece of bonus paper from the perennial lavender pack. It might not be this print, it's just a print that I didn't use in the kit prep. So that's one of the kits. The second kit is going to be the quad triangle kit. And I ship my kits in these envelopes, and I read on the back side the kit type and the month that it was for. This kit will feature 3 extra pieces of pattern paper that you can do whatever you want with those patterns. And they will be assorted. They might not be the ones I show you in this video. And then I'll just open one up real quick. Pieces to create the card will be in the kit. You will have to do two cuttings to assemble your kit, but those are all the pieces for that kit. And similarly, the red one will have the similar punched pieces, strip of embellishments, and the length of ribbon. For the perennial lavender kit, I added the crumb cake ink pad and the So Refreshing stamp set. Those you would purchase separately at my online store, sjsinks.stampinup.net, if you wanted to stamp the sentiments like I have on the samples. All right, so go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail or the One of a Kind icon to show the purchasing options for these kits. And I hope to stamp with you March 2nd, 2024 with the One of a Kind group.
Hello, it's Karen from Be Creative, back in the One of a Kind group with another fun project kit that you can purchase for the upcoming event. Let's get right into it. This event's project kit is going to give you so much stuff that you can do all sorts of cards and layouts with. What's in there? You've got a large couple of stencils that are about like 6 by 4.5. There's the sun beams, and then there's the clouds. You've got an embossing folder, a textured embossing folder, 4 by 6 size. You can do that. It's got the sun and the cloud motif again. There is a stamp of a little girl with the umbrella from the back, really adorable. It's a clear stamp. There's also a stamp that has the sentiments. There's a cursive hello, and there's a life is, a you are, I miss you, so you can use all those interchangeably. There's also several metal dies that will work with any die cut machine you have. One is a lovely sentiment, and then there's the umbrella with the clouds, raindrops. So many things you can do. Here are a couple of sample cards. I'm probably going to play during the event with the embossing folder and maybe a little bit of stenciling because I'm all about ink blending. I think that would be a lot of fun. So we're just going to play. This kit gives you everything though, and all you're going to need really, aside from of course adhesive, trimmer, all that, are some inks and a blending tool to do some effects and your card bases. So you're going to supply the cardstock. You're going to get all the other stuff, the stamps, the stencils, the embossing folder, and I'm going to supply some fun. So I hope you'll join me. Grab the kit on our website at shopbecreative.com, and I hope to see you very soon. Thanks.
It's Tanya with Riley & Company here with a little sneak peek of our March Craft Along kit. This time, it's all about us. Yes, it's all about the crafters. So you will get all of this in your kits. Of course, you will get everything pre-cut, pre-stamped, pre-embossed, as usual, to make these 3 cards. The first card is cut it out. You're gorgeous. Look at her, isn't she cute? This is the bunny from the Dress Up Riley set, and we are using the Dress Up Crafter set this time around. It is not included, but this is what we're using for this. And the next card is, I'm not a craft hoarder, I'm the curator of an extensive private craft supply collection. Isn't this adorable? And look at this little cricket, little mini cricket. And finally, the last card is We Were Born to Craft, and it's Riley, and he's got his glue gun and his scissors and his little overalls on. So those are the 3 cards. You will also get your 6x6 paper pad, of course, of the Happy Crafting paper by Card of Bella. Look at these papers. You guys are going to love this. Look at these. It is craft everything. Scissors, stripes. This is so much fun. This paper is so much fun. You're going to love it. And a pack of enamel dots as well. So make sure you go out to RileyandCompanyOnline.com and you grab your kit before they sell out. And I will see you on March 2nd with the OOAK event online, one of a kind scrapbooking and stamping event on Facebook, and we can do these together. Take care and have a great day, and I will see you soon.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. Oh, hey everyone, I didn't see you there. It's Brian with One of a Kind, and I'm excited to be part of the One of a Kind group on 3-2 or on the Craft Fancy Facebook page. Be sure to check us out. We're going to be doing a great project. It's called the Bunny Ears Easter Card Kit. During our time slot, we're going to be making 2 wonderful cards during that time. The kit that we have includes the waffle flower bunny ears die, pattern papers, cardstocks, die cuts, heart and jewel embellishments, pre-stamped sediments, and envelopes are included to create the 4 cards, 2 cards per design, and that's going to be for $20. That's right, only $20. You're going to be able to get everything going, stamped, ready to go, and be able to watch a live presentation. We keep it easy for you at Craft Fancy, but remember, adhesives are not included. So we want to head over to craftfancy.com. You know it. You love it. You got to shop at it. craftfancy.com. Be sure to click on shop. Go down to custom cards and scrapbook kits. Click that link. Scroll down just a little more. There it is, $20. Bunny Ears Easter Card Kit. Click that link. Be sure to add that to the cart. And then scroll down a little more and check out some of those optional products that we'll be touching base on during our presentation. So you may want to just stock up while it's in stock and ready to ship. So I can't wait to see everybody on 3/2/2024 in the One of a Kind group or on the Craft Fancy page as we do it live at the same time. My name's Brian with Craft Fancy, and I can't wait to see you there.